Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete mentioned comment on Instagram. So all you have to do is open your notification. You can search the notification about where you are mentioned on someone comments or someone posts when you're commented into that post. For example, this one. So I can delete this post because of this post I made by myself. You have to remember you can only delete comments on your own posts or comments you've made on other user posts. If someone else mentioned you in the comment on a post that isn't yours, you won't be able to delete it. In that case, you can ask the user remove the comment or report the comment to the Instagram or block the users. And let's get back to the topics. You can just go with delete this, go to the trash command, delete it. For example, you cannot like deleted comment if someone else mentioned you in a comment on a post that isn't yours. For example, this one, there is no delete option here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the button below. See you in the next video.